Here we got a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe SC, 93,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in white. Nice looking vehicle here, not void of gear. It's got a good bit of gear on it. Just going to kind of walk around. 5-passenger SUV here, efficient. As you can see, it does have the really cool kind of front end slanted eye look, smoked headlights, pod there on the LED front. You see the driving lights and the fog lights in the lower bumper fascia there on each side. Good looking front end. Coming around to the side. Goodyear tires all the way around, 3/4 tread, half to 3/4 tread. Also split spoke alloy wheel. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. Taking a peek through the passenger side front, cloth covered seats, manual adjustment. 2 captain seats, console, automatic floor shifter in the middle. Otherwise, charcoal interior with brushed aluminum accents on the handles around the center display. We do have the books in the glove box. Factory floor mats. As you can see, very spacious. Lots of leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. Like I say, 5-passenger SUV here. On the back, also 2 power supplies and a flow-through console. Just keep your rear occupants comfortable and connected. Like I say, Goodyear Assurance tires all the way around. All-wheel drive, they all match, all about the same depth. See here, it is the SE. Back end does have backup camera, as you can see there as well. And you can see there, 60/40 fold down on the rear seat. Does have a 12-volt supply in the back. We also got a lot of little cargo compartments there to keep items. As you can see in the hideaway storage jack there as well. Spare tire underneath. So everything you need in the back's pretty easily accessible and compartmentalized. Like I say, all tires the same. Wheels are in pretty good shape too. It's a clean interior. Smells good in here. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner is a non-smoker. And then you can see manual adjustment on the driver's side as well. We also got classic positioning of the windows, mirrors. There on the door and the door locks as well. Go ahead and hop in. Want to show you too before we start it up. We do promise 2 sets of keys. I got one of them here. Do have the power trunk release. Got your keyless entry and your panic. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Like I say, 93,326 miles. Continue the tour here. Also want to show you, we always keep a copy of the auto history report right on the dash. No accidents or damage, 1 owner. Got your dimmer here for your interiors. Does have lane departure and blind spot. Traction control and the ability to lock in your 4-wheel drive. So all your safety gear and the ability to lock it into 4-wheel drive. Not all-wheel drive vehicles give you that control. Headlamps are on the outside of the left stem. Does have automatic headlamp sounding, high beams and turn signals on the stem as well. Intermittent wiper washers on the right. Does have your Bluetooth and your audio controls on the steering wheel, all located on the left, and on the right is your cruise control and your forward collision warning. So it has forward collision warning, lane departure, and blind spot, all geared up. You also have your menu selector here to change your displays, as you can see in your center toggle, so you can customize your dash. So all that is done on that side. Big touchscreen, AM, FM, satellite radio, ability to pair the phone. No factory nav, but you do have all your programmable. You've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. All your tech devices and apps are located right in there as well. Climate control analog style down below that. Does have your below that, as you can see, 12-volt power supply, 2 of them, auxiliary and a USB. We do have your floor shifter with the ability to select any gears by tapping up or down. Over here, the ability to shut off your auto stop. We do have an electronic parking brake. The auto hold is cool for drive-thrus, and then the downhill descent control to hold you back as you come down the hill. 2 cup holders. And we got a nice big area in there. Might even have another power supply, can't quite tell, but nice area to keep some belongings. 2 LED map lights, flip dim on your rear view. Illuminated visor, as you can see, lights right here. Turn it on and off as you need to. Mirrored in illumination with the toggle switch there on the passenger side as well. Let's take a peek. 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder engine on this particular vehicle. 2.4. I believe Hyundai's used this engine for a little while now, so it's tried and true. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. You can see, even though this thing has a little bit of miles, it was well cared for. You know, it's had routine service done, and really looks like a new one underneath the hood. It should give somebody a lot of years of reliability still left in it. Go ahead and turn the car off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. And just to recap, we got 1/2 to 3/4 on the tires, like new brakes. One owner, no accidents on the history. Last part of making an informed buying decision is the cosmetic appearance. See, I'll point out just a couple little stone chips here. Actually, that isn't. That looks like a little bit of fly dirt. Let's see what this is. I think that one is as well. I just can't scratch it off with my nail. But there are some stone chips, not many, but a couple. One right there on the edge of the handle. So I'll just kind of walk the car. Dings and dents, though, really good that way. You see a little chip on the edge of that door. But as we look down through that body, I try to catch dings in the light, and I don't see any. Good shape. A couple little chips down by that reflector. There's a dent. It's tiny, but I found one. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, but you have to trust me. Right there on that body line is the tiniest of dents. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over it, fine-tooth comb, get a lot of positive feedback on these videos. Roofline looks good. People travel a long way, and it's because of the transparency. We really do our best to try to accurately depict these. I mean, this vehicle is only a year or two old, spent some miles on the road. It's going to pick up a couple stones here and there. But the key is that you know they're there, and they're not major. If they were, we wouldn't have this vehicle on the lot. So rest assured, they're all minor. And got a few more here up front. I'm not going to point every single one out, but the front nose clip, as I pan across, you can see that's where you're going to get your chips. There you see, that's where the spattering of chips are. Lower bumper fascia and across the hood as well. Just quickly pan across that. But all in all, guys, that is it. A few stone chips, one small dent. You can find this vehicle a couple different ways if you're interested. You can, of course, look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or, of course, come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.